Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can download DaVinci Resolve 18 for your PC. So DaVinci is an editing software. It's a free editing software, so you can easily download it and edit your videos on it. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for DaVinci Resolve 18. So I'm going to do that. Please search for DaVinci Resolve 18. You can see where it says DaVinci Resolve 18. So it's basically created by Blackmagic Design Company. So it's going to say this. So click on it and it's going to take you to its official website. Over here it's going to show you DaVinci Resolve 18. So you can scroll a bit down and it says DaVinci Resolve free download right now over here. So I can click on it, and over here it says DaVinci Resolve 18, DaVinci Resolve Studio 18. Now the studio version, you need to buy it. The free version is this. Alright, so you can choose whichever PC you have. I have Windows, so I'm going to choose Windows and wait for some time. Now it's gonna ask me to create an account, so I'm gonna do that real quick. So I need to create an account over here, register and download now, and once it shows you this, it's gonna start downloading. But just in case if it doesn't download, you can just click on it and it'll re-download it again. Alright, so after it downloads, you can install it. So let's wait for some time until it downloads. So once it installs, you can go on the download folder over here and choose DaVinci Resolve and click on this over here. So you need a zipping file. Alright, so I have WinRAR, but you can use whichever you want. Once you open it, click on DaVinci Resolve and it's gonna export it out for some time, so wait for some time now. Now once you extract it, this is gonna show up. Now over here it says all these tick marks, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just click on install and wait for some time now. So after it finishes installing, click on where it says next over here, click on ISF and click on where it says next again, and over here you can choose where you want to install DaVinci. So I'm gonna click on change and choose my custom path over here. So I'm gonna go on local disk C, but you can choose whichever place you want it to be saved to. Alright, I just want it to be saved into my custom DaVinci file, so I'm gonna click on OK, click on next, click on install, and it's gonna start installing. Once it completes installing, you can see its dashboard appear over here. You can click on it, open it, and edit your videos. So yeah, that's how you guys can install DaVinci Resolve 18 on your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.